All right, let's have a look at later.com. So Later is a social media management website. Let's have a look. I'm just going to do my usual, drag it up. Oops, I've moved it somewhere it's not supposed to be. There we go. Let's go back to Later. All right, cool. So on the home page of Later, I like the design of Later actually. It's a nice design. I like the simple fonts that they're using. It's quite nice. Although I'm not sure about the weight of this font. I'm not sure it kind of fits in with this font very well. But like the colours, immediately I'm getting blue. I do wonder about some of this design though. I reckon if they did a Hotjar, I'm guessing they have, a Hotjar or a screen recording heat map, they probably get a lot of clicks on these things here. They all look like buttons to me. But nevertheless, it's a nice design, nicely spaced out, really nice. There's quite a lot of links in here, not the menu, just up here generally. So you're kind of wondering, there's a lot of links up here. You're kind of wondering what they want us to do with this page. These look like buttons together actually. Create a free account. I'm guessing they want us to create an account. But there's a lot going on. Company resources. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This looks like a button that does so much. 8, 9, 10 buttons that are above the fold. And so this gets pretty complex pretty quickly. But I've got a good message, really simple to understand. Social media management made easy. Crush your goals faster with Later. Automate daily social tasks and turn followers into customers with link in bio. All in one app. So already I know what it's all about. It's all about social media management. And there's something called LinkedIn bio. Turn followers into customers with link in bio. So all will be revealed, I'm guessing, as I move on through the website. Alignment looks good. So many websites I see doesn't have just basic alignment coming down this left-hand side. This is good. It doesn't break that alignment either. It breaks it there, which is okay. You can break the alignment to make it a bit more interesting, but yeah, these developers have stuck to that left-hand side alignment. And yeah, they're doing quite well on the right-hand side as well. Liking the blues that they've got there. It's nice. Nice blues. I think that's kind of their colour. They've got blue in there. They've got these nice blue buttons. Oh, with a nice gradient on there as well, the buttons. Nice blue in here. So I'm guessing blue is in their brand guidelines. You've got a nice blue there as well. Lots of blues and purples. So yeah, I'm getting their messaging already. There's a lot of trust signals in here as well. 7 million people, including top global brands, trust Later. Yeah, and I like how they've spaced that out so we get the trust Later. That should be in bold, so that sticks out, trust Later. You've got logos in there. I'm guessing this is Adobe. Hypebeast, I know that. And Food Network is pretty big. So these are the guys that are using Later. That's great. And then use Later when you're online. Unplug when you're not. Unplug when you're not. Make your job and life easier. We won't tell. Oh, okay. Yeah. So it's basically you can switch off your phone and just, yeah, don't be online. So it's selling the dream. It's selling of not being online, getting space. It's selling that dream. It's solving a problem of people who are always online and they want to get offline and get some space. Schedule and publish, link in bio, analytics, content creation tools. Nice buttons. I don't know if there's enough space around some of these elements. I mean, I would probably have a little bit more space in here, maybe a little bit more space in here. Just so there's some separation between these elements. I'd probably do that. Schedule and publish, set it and forget. Schedule, post and publish. So we've got a nice face there looking down at her phone, drinking a coffee. Got some nice faces here. She seems to be enjoying life though. She seems to be enjoying stuff. Got these nice blues. The same repeat of that face there, so it's giving us the journey, really. It's giving us her journey there. That's quite nice. Measure what really matters. Know what content works with later analytics. Get the insights you need. Measure what really matters. Turn followers into customers. Yeah, so it's all selling the benefits there. You want customers. It's telling you that you can gain more customers with later. You can measure your data really easily. And so these are great little one-liners, great little features and benefits to pull you into the product. It's nice. And it's got a nice flow as well, consistent with the brand all the way through. Nice little scroll. Does that stop? Yeah, it stops when you hover over. Although I'm guessing a lot of people on mobile use this website. Going into the purples, nice smiling face there. There we go, lovely. Love smiling faces for the social proof. Latest new caption writer. Okay, yeah, and she's talking about a new feature, so that's great. Great. Let's have a look who's on these buttons. Oh, we've got a fish. Probably didn't want her face to be shown. And then, yeah, we've got another smiling face. Great. Latest for designed for social media pros. Again, telling you exactly who it's for and who it's not for. And then this is clever. This is good. I rarely see this on websites. It's kind of following a story brand framework, where it's telling you exactly how to get going, what you need to do. So there's no confusion there. You've got buttons each time. It's all uniform. It's very simple. You compare plans, start a free trial, onboarding. Really simple, breaking it down for the viewer. And then you've got your junk down here at the bottom, all your links. Good stuff. So let's have a look at the page speed insights as usual. I'll paste that in there. Let's go to analyze. Let's go to GT metrics, paste that in there. Let's have a look. Let's go to website carbon and let's have a look. Now I'd expect this site to be flying and for the website carbon to be amazing. That's what I would expect. And yeah, here we are later. 1.5 seconds, so it's a fast site. Again, CLS, cumulative layout, shift, amazing. Really good. On all those, and I would expect that really from later.com. Let's have a look at GT metrics. It's taking its time actually. It's got a B, which again is great. It's not bad. 372 milliseconds total blocking time. Again, it's not bad. It's really quite good actually there. Let's have a look at the, yeah, really good. Quick site. All based on a CDN, loading fast, everything's looking great. Let's go back to page speed insights. It's giving it 51 performance, which isn't that good. Best practices 73. It's kind of average, and it's because you've got this 3-second load here. And I mean, it's under 3 seconds is the time that websites are supposed to load in before people lose interest. But you know, 3 seconds, you know, I wouldn't complain at 3 seconds personally. But they've just got some code, unlocking unused JavaScript. It's blocking the page from loading. Yeah. Accessibility. We'll have a look at accessibility actually. So that's good. GT metrics, B, great. Let's have a look at the carbon. This is a cached result of this page. Cleaner than 52% of all websites globally. I'm going to retest this now actually. I'm going to click here to retest it. It says it's good actually, but I'm just going to retest that And while that's retesting, I'm going to have a quick look at the mobile view. Let's have a quick look at that. Click my little link there. Mobile view looks great. Yeah, you can tell they've done a good job of the design on the mobile view. So look at the menu. Slides out from the right. Yeah, it's nice, nice. Okay, nice mobile view, and I'm going to have a quick look at accessibility as well. Let's have a look what that is saying on the accessibility. Now it looks crazy when you switch this Wave plugin on. It looks absolutely crazy. So let me get rid of. It's got some errors there. Contrast error, very low contrast. Broken ARIA reference. Let me switch some of these off so we've got a little bit more room to breathe. Okay, so that's given a contrast error there, but that doesn't matter there. It thinks that's a button actually, which is exactly what I was saying before, that these things are going to be flagging as buttons, I think, on people's screen readers and on people's eyes. I reckon they've got clicks all over this stuff on Hotjar. A redundant link because it's a repeat link, but that's okay for the hero section. Going down, there's a H target there. There's something got a little bit of miss there. Let's have a look. Heading, but it's not a heading element, so they just need to code the H2 tag into the code. Same with that one, H2 tag. Then they've not coded H2 tag into there. That's what it looks like. So Google are not reading that tag as a H2 tag. Right, let's have a quick look. The accessibility doesn't look too bad. It looks good. 32 alerts, headings, redundant tags, no script element, very small text. Wonder where that is. Very small text. Where is it? Oh yeah, see, it's up here. Yeah, it's in the whatever that's called, the graphics up there. Okay, cool. Let's have a quick look at the meta for this page. Open graph type missing there, and then here in the markup, images, width and height elements missing. Again, that's not a major deal. And it looks like the H2s and all the H1s are there. The structure's okay there. It looks perfect, the structure of the site. So we don't know what this accessibility plugin is finding. But it appears to be structured okay. All right, yeah, brilliant. So, let's go back to okay, so this has got a C. It's got a C on carbon, which is kind of better than the global average. But as I always say, I would expect a site like this, like later.com, to be, amazing. It should be like really up there in terms of its speed and in terms of its dirtiness. So basically this site is quite a dirty site. I think it's probably because of the page size, I think. Oh, and the server's on bog standard energy. So I would expect as well a site like this to be using a good clean server. Mainly because why wouldn't you these days? Okay, why wouldn't you if you can? So cool. Overall, I think that's quite a nice looking website. And yeah, they've done a good job of that. Nice design. And yeah, thank you later.